Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be making chocolate dipped pineapples and cinnamon toasted pineapples. So let's get to it. So now we're going to cut basically the head of the pineapple. Now cut the bottom. Now cut it in half. Cut it in quarters. Now cut the midsection of the pineapple. Now cut the skin of the pineapple. Cut the pineapple into pieces. Now we're going to start cinnamon toasting these pineapple pieces. Now add your pineapple pieces to a bowl. So here we have about 2 cups of pineapple slices, and now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of ground cinnamon. Mix well. Slice your pineapple into sizes that will fit the ice cube container. Now you want to take your pineapple slices and add them to the freezer for 30 minutes. Bring your pineapple slices to a new pan, turn the heat on to medium, and add your pineapple slices. Cook the pineapple slices 2 minutes on each side. So now you want to get bittersweet chocolate chunks and some coconut oil that is refined. Now you want to add 8 ounces of your chocolate chunks, then a tablespoon of coconut oil that is refined. Microwave for 60 seconds. So this is the end of the video. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed. This looks amazing. Subscribe, like, enjoy, and we'll see you guys next time.